What's up, everybody? I'm Tyler.
And I'm Brittany.
We got a new video for you today. Today, we're gonna be sawing a giant, and this time it is a giant. Don't play me, this is a big log. We got a big red oak log that needs to be made into 1.5 inch, 1 live edge, 1 square edge slabs all the way down for Mr. Wayne, who has, well, we've cut a bunch of slabs for Mr. Wayne, and he's brought 2 more giant logs up here, and we're gonna slab those up today, so stay tuned.
All right, check this out. What we have here is a 30-inch red oak log.
Yep, if you even turn it a little bit that way, it's a little even bigger. Yeah, we're almost 31 across there.
So the first thing that we have to do is we got to take this over to the water hose and get some of this dirt off. And then Tyler's going to take the chainsaw and cut this knot off right here so it'll be flat and smooth so we can get it on the sawmill.
Okay, so Brittany's gonna rinse this off to get what little mud's on this one side off of it, a little dirt. And I'm gonna skim that knot off the side a little bit there just so we have no clearance issues. And that's gonna make this log really easy to saw, so not a bad deal. And the point of this log is basically to just get as many, we'll do 1 square edge down one side, and then live edge on the other side. So we'll see how we'll position it to get the best and the most out of it. Let's crack this guy off. Cold start in the morning, even though it's kind of later in the morning.
right, guys, you know what time it is. It's time for the grain reveal. Check this out. I believe this, to me, this is two of the prettiest boards that we have ever sawn before.
I definitely like them. I also like that you can see that we book matched them. And if you look where we cut this line, we got a real straight line. So we got a good sharp blade, no waves. Everything's looking good. Let's throw a tape measure across this and see how wide this table could possibly be. What you got here? We'll go live edge there. What are we talking?
45 inches.
Be about a 45-inch table. Yeah, so by the time we get some drying and all that, you definitely get a 44, 43-inch table for sure. Because you may have to straight line that after drying and everything. But, man, the potential of this table it's huge. I mean, so beautiful.
Look at all the red figuring in there.
Yeah, and I even like the one little hole here is pretty.
It is pretty.
But for the most part, she's all solid.
Beautiful.
What do you think, Brittany?
I am in love with it.
Could this make a good dinner table?
Definitely.
We finished that log up, guys. I don't know if you paid attention, but did you see how I put those forks right up next to the mill? Cantilever head design allows one open end of the head, right? You're all pivoting off that one mast on the one side. So that allows you to put your forks literally directly up under that sawmill. And I just slid the slabs off. I'll give Wood-Mizer this. I ain't paid by Wood-Mizer. But that idea of the cantilever head design has several ways that it's, you know, advantageous to doing what we're doing here. So I'll give them that. So we just need to take these guys, put them over there with the others, and yeah, that's gonna do that. All right, so we're making our way back towards the house because we're gonna have some lunch now. And I wanna tell you guys a couple things because the last videos that we did of like cutting slabs or whatever, people had a couple questions. One, I'm gonna go ahead and answer so you'll know. So we'll know if you comment this, we know you didn't watch the end of the video. Okay, that is a customer logs. It's Mr. Wayne's log. Mr. Wayne's been on the channel before on our video of the Sunken River log. Okay, so that's Wayne's log. Wayne asked for it to be cut 1.5 inches. He asked for it to have one live edge, one square edge, so he could book match it. So that covers that. And somebody asked before, do we have slabs for sale? I mean, most of the things you're seeing on here we're cutting for other people or pallet or whatever, but I don't stock any slabs, so that'll answer that one. Let me show you this over here though while I'm getting to it here. I want to get you guys some garden updates. These are some bell peppers I'm putting out this afternoon. They are California Wonders. Comment down below if any of you guys have ever planted this variety. And then what you got over there, Miss Brittany?
And here we have sweet banana peppers. Sweet
banana peppers. So what's the plan for these banana peppers? What are we doing with these?
I'm gonna take them and I'd like to try to pickle them.
Yeah, so we're gonna pickle those for sandwiches. Just like that, this one's gonna be over because I'm hungry. I gotta go in, we gotta eat some lunch, and then we gotta get back out here. We have 2 more custom orders to do this afternoon. Several videos back, I said the least amount that we do is cut for other customers. I think that was a challenge issued because now I feel like that's a lot of what we're doing, especially on Thursdays and Fridays. So anyways, we're back to doing that. If you guys are not following along on Patreon,
you're missing out.
You're missing out because what are you doing over there, Miss Britt?
Because they've already seen the grain reveal and what we've done today. and other exclusive content and behind the scenes here at Wallace Farm and Sawmill.
So if you guys want to see that, go to Patreon. There's 2 tiers. Pick one, don't pick one, whatever. Watch us here. But we do appreciate all the support. We appreciate all of our patrons. And there's about 2 or 3 guys over there on Patreon that comment on everything and like everything. We see you guys. We know you're watching. You know who you are. That's going to do it for this one. Until next time.
See ya.
Bam.